are printed at 7 p.m. Cash count variance ay tally po. Skip series ay wala. Issue receipt namin is 8 and approve po lahat ng expenses.
Ito po yung pending area namin. Today, meron po kaming 6 na na-claim at meron ding 10 orders na nadagdag. Ito po yung gift ideas namin. Ito po yung design it yourself namin. Ito po yung hot deals namin. Ito po yung bestseller namin. Ito po yung jersey uniform namin. Ito po yung sublimation namin. Ito po yung jackets namin. Ito po yung power table namin. Ito po yung special polo namin. Ito po yung workwear namin. Ito po yung stockroom namin. Ito po yung basurahan namin. Natapos ko na pong itapon.